Yep. These spuds are perfect. Let's get them to the factory fast.
Only firm, clean potatoes. No soft spots allowed.
Cargo secured, ready for the trip.
Arriving now. Fresh potatoes incoming.
Intake confirmed. Processing starts now.
Water pressure set. Give them a deep clean.
Look at that, spotless already.
RPM steady, no over-peeling.
Perfect. Let's move these to slicing. Blades sharpened and synced, ready for slicing. Feed them evenly, no jam points. Feed them evenly, no jam points.
Look at that, perfect chip thickness. Look at that, perfect chip thickness.
Spacing looks good, 0 overlaps. Increase flow. They need a full starch wash. There it goes. Washing off perfectly. Set it to max saturation. You want even rinsing. Drain time. Keep the flow steady. Perfect. No skin anywhere. Ready for frying. Feeding the fryer. No skins. Just pure potato. Set it to max saturation. You want even rinsing. Hold temperature. Skin-free slices. Fry faster. Expansion looks perfect. Smooth edges, no skin. Keep circulation strong. Skinless slices stay even. Beautiful lift. Every chip clean and skin-free. Let the oil drain. These skin-free chips look perfect. Airflow steady, crisping all skin-free chips evenly. Confirmed. No skin, perfect color. Another flawless batch. Skin gone, crisp perfect.
Seasoning hall ready. Skin-free chips coming through.
Drum online. Let's coat these skinless chips evenly. Flavor mix coming in. These peeled chips absorb well. Rotation smooth. Every skin-free chip gets covered. Look at that coat. No skin to block the flavor. Great texture.
Send them forward. Seasoning locked on those skin-free chips.
Cooling tunnel prepped. Skinless chips cool evenly. Seasoning stage complete. No skin, full flavor.
Flow rate perfect. Packing line is ready.
Precision mode on. Let's hit exact weight. Weights locked. Perfect accuracy. Clean drop. No blockages at all. Perfect cushion protects the chips.
Seals are strong, no tearing.
All units hitting perfect weight. Reject system operating clean. Sending all fresh bags to the boxing area. Boxes forming clean, 0 misfolds. Alignment perfect. Let it run. Counts verified. Every box correct. Seal pressure good. Keep moving. Labels printed sharp. No smudge. Stack formation stable. Lock the layer. Don't breath the resin. Wrap tension even. Great stability.
Transporting these to warehouse zone.
Stock levels updated, ready for dispatch. Orders confirmed. Schedule the trucks.
Secure the pallets. No shifting allowed.
Temperature stable. Chips safe to travel. Another fresh batch on the road. Fast and safe delivery, always.
Unload carefully. Fresh inventory coming in.
Shelf restock incoming. Make space. Perfect front facing, looks great. Welcome to our Tasty Chips Showcase. Our signature flavor wall, fresh and vibrant.
Try them, crispy and flavorful.
From raw potatoes to the perfect snack.
Crisp. Crispy, fresh, irresistible.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and help us find 1 million reviews.